In this video, I will show you how you can add favorite contacts on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, just open the phone app, then go to the Calls section. From here, just tap on Edit, and from this menu, just select Add Favorite. Now from here, just select the contact which you want to add to your favorite. Now after that, just select for what you want to add the selected contact for your favorite. If you want to add it for emails, just select emails, or if you want to set it for WhatsApp messages or iMessages, just select it from here. Now for an example, I'll select WhatsApp. Now just tap on the email address over here, and after you do that, you will add the selected contact to your favorite. Now if you want to add multiple favorite contacts, just tap on the plus icon over here and select another contact, and similarly just select for what you want to add it to your favorite. Now just tap on done to save. And as you can see, this is how you can add contacts to your favorite on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.